Python fabric.api there. I'm new to Python and Fabric API. I'm trying to use the sudo functionality to run a sed command in bash terminal which inserts some text after a particular line of text is found. Some of the text I'm trying to insert into the file I'm modifying contains BR. I've tried shell equals true and shell equals false options but still no luck. How can I escape the BR? It seems shell equals true only escapes $and. My code below. Sudo sed I slash some text slash a text with the.
Try prefixing your string with R, which means that it will be interpreted as a raw string. See here for additional information on string literals and their usage in Python.
Okay, finally worked this out. Rocket Donkey was correct. Needed to prefix with R but also needed to set shell equals false. This allowed whatever worked directly in the bash terminal to work when being called from fabric.api. Thanks Rocket Donkey.